Hey everyone, Erin here for this week's Amazon top picks of products that I got the chance to review. I wanted to share with you a few of my favorites. In the winter months here in Wisconsin, and my kids and I enjoy skiing. I like cross-country skiing and downhill skiing. All of my kids actually downhill ski. And for any of you that are skiers, you know how much equipment it takes to go to the ski hill as far as skis and boots if you own your own equipment. And when I ran across these bags where you can actually put your boots in a bag, you have your skis in a bag, oh my goodness, did it make packing the car so much easier. As we didn't get the skis tangled and everybody knew what color theirs were. And so this definitely made traveling with ski equipment so much nicer. So I definitely wanted to highlight those items, even though they're still seasonal. And if you're watching this video in the summer months, maybe you can think ahead for the winter season if you're a skiing family as well. Next on the list would be this really cute crossbody brown leather purse or book bag. And so I found that actually I liked it better as a book bag. Just because I don't like my books to get all mangled up if I'm taking a book with me somewhere. And so my book fit really nice in here with my water bottle. There was room in here for me to throw my cell phone, some money in the back pocket, so I didn't have to take my whole purse. And you can watch that full review after this introduction. Next on the list, because we have two dogs that are in our home, we found this really cool Uproot tool to actually pull the hair out of the fabric, especially our one circle chair that has a little bit thicker mat on it and the hair liked to embed into the fabric. So even though we can run the vacuum over it, this tool was super handy at just helping loosen that. So when we ran the vacuum over, we were sure to grab any dog hair that might be sitting in there. Not to mention, it actually fluffed up the fabric on our chair and pillows really nice. So I just wanted to highlight this tool in case you have pets and you want to kind of fluff up furniture and help remove some of that dog hair. Next on the list is campfires. Oh my goodness. So we love summer, fall, spring, winter, doesn't matter. I love a good campfire. But a lot of times it's a little chilly. Even in the summer months, our nights get really cool. And so I had purchased these blankets a couple of years ago and thought, why not tell you guys about them? But they're super big and we actually have two of them. So when we do our outdoor movie nights or we sit by the campfire, these blankets are just so handy. And as you can see, they're humongous. And I just like the texture of them. They're very warm. Definitely something that you could keep in the car or keep by the campfire, keep in your, camping area. I just think they're a great blanket and the mosquitoes can't bite through them. All the better for me. And then last on the list is I love talking about our doTERRA essential oil products or infused products. I wanted to highlight this week deepblue. And deepblue is a proprietary blend by doTERRA of different essential oils put together for muscle discomfort. And I've already started my workout routine and I can definitely feel it in my calves and my low back. And so this is a product that we have used a lot. Types of products might be a better way. First you have deepblue rub, which is the essential oil blend in a lotion form. And so you can actually get it in a tube. So there's one full 5 milliliter bottle, which is about 85 drops of oil inside this 4-ounce lotion tube. And so it's a pretty nice concentration and you don't need a lot. A pea-size amount is all you need to massage into an area and you can reapply every 3 to 4 hours.
It massages in without any greasy after feel. It's also a great pre and post workout cream. Next we have the deepblue stick. This does have copaiba essential oil in it as well. And as you can see by here, it's great for backache, sprains, arthritis, bruises. And it's in an easy to twist off form or cap form. So you just twist it up and apply it to the skin.
Thank you again for joining me this week on my top 5 picks. From ski bags to purses to blankets to dog brush hair removal or the doTERRA products. And I hope that you'll continue to follow me for more great tips on products that I get a chance to review. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Hey there, I want to share my review on a ski boot bag along with a long ski bag. And so this is the regular size, and I actually have my son's skis in here. He's 6 foot, wears a size 13. So there was actually a little bit of room yet in here. So if you're looking for a ski bag that, you know, will hold those longer skis, this one definitely did the job. There is a lot of room in here. So you probably could even put a second pair of skis. And then as far as the boot bag, so his size 13 feet boots actually fit in here, and I'll give you a little bit closer up in a minute. And then there's even a front pouch at which I stuck his goggles and his gaiter in, so that he has those handy. And this actually has an over the shoulder, so you can actually extend this so you can throw it over the shoulder, or you can just use the carrying handle. Same with this one, it has the carrying handle. And if any of you have traveled with any amount of ski equipment, you know how cumbersome this can be. And I'm very impressed with how well this holds all of this together. So going in and out of the ski lodge is going to be so much easier. And we have 4 skiers, so we have all this equipment going in our car along with snow pants and snow jackets, ski jackets, all of the things. And so this definitely is not only going to keep our skis from getting scratched up or the boots from getting scratched up, but also just kind of keep things more organized. So here's the ski bag up close. Like I said, you've got your Velcro handle that you can put together. And then here's like that front pouch. Like I said, it holds, you know, the ski goggles, a gaiter pretty easily. You could stuff gloves in there or something like that. And then when you unzip it, you can see I've got his boots in here. And so they'll be pretty easy to get out. And then in the bottom of the bag, they actually have a really nice like hard bottom that comes out so you can easily wipe this out. But yeah, so just put your boots in there and then pull your fabric up over the top and you should be good to go. And then as far as the ski bag itself, you have the main zipper. And you can see his skis are in there. On the top and bottom, you do have these clasps, which you can undo, and you can also tighten them, which will just kind of take up some of that extra room. But like, as I said, you can see there's a lot of room in there, so you could almost put 2 pairs of skis in there if you really wanted. This purse with an extendable strap, and so you can easily make this shorter if you want to. I do like the design. It's just a nice quilted design. So as far as pocket features on this one, you do have a back zipper pocket, which I actually have like gum, some hand wipes, and you could easily, because there isn't a lot of space in here, you could easily use this for money and change as well. On the flip side, you have more of an open pocket with a clip. And this, I was like, my phone would fit in here great, keys, something that you need to grab easily and you don't want to dig inside the bag. And then when you look inside the bag, so just to kind of give you a reference of how much space is in here. So I have a book in here and I have a water bottle in here. And so both of those were able to fit in here. There is a zipper closure, so if you want to use that feature. And then inside you have the zipper pouch here on the back side, so you could put more, you know, things you want to be tucked away. Again, could be your money, could be notes, could be a pen. And it is a very nice deep purse. And then on the flip side, you have 2 pockets. And I actually had my hand sanitizer, lip balm, lip gloss, different things like that in these 2 shallower pockets. And so however you want to use this, whether you want to use it for a book bag like I'm kind of doing with my water bottle, and then you can always put your money and different things like that in here as well. And so I'll show you what it looks like carrying it around against the body. There, just wanted to share my review on 2 throw blankets. We actually have these down at our camping area, but they're also great to take like for campfires or keep in the vehicle just for some extra heat. And so I just wanted to show you the 2 different colors that we have. We have the red and the cranberry, and they're very large. And I kind of remember these as being like horse blankets, at least because back when I used to ride horse, I had a blanket very similar to this that I would put under my saddle. And so this is huge. And the texture is really nice and actually quite soft, even though it's got a little bit of a rough texture to it as well. and it does have the fringes on the end, which gives it that little bit of extra. But like I said, we use these a lot around the campfire and keep in the vehicle and things like that. So if you're looking for a fun blanket, these are really cool.